question was about whether I've received any communication from the Trump administration about their immigration actions. None. And I think that's just more evidence of the chaos and confusion that they're trying to sow. And it's very disappointing. Look, I don't know. They've not communicated with us, so we don't know when exactly those enforcement actions might take place. We have heard that they are targeting as many as 2,000 people initially in the city of Chicago alone. I don't know whether they'll effectuate that or how. Yesterday, as you may have heard, there was an executive order issued that would suggest that President Trump is trying to get rid of birthright citizenship in this country. That's unconstitutional, what he issued, the executive order. And we will not follow an unconstitutional executive order, and we will follow the law in the state.
This next order relates to the definition of birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the United States.
That's a good one. Birthright. That's a big one.
What about that one in the court? That one is likely to be passed.
Could be. I think we have good grounds, but you could be right. I mean, you'll find out. It's ridiculous. We're the only country in the world that does this with birthright, as you know. And it's just absolutely ridiculous. But, you know, we'll see. We have very good grounds. People have wanted to do this for decades.
In the flood of all of the proposals that he made yesterday, there was nothing that would lower costs. In fact, he proposed tariffs on goods coming into this country from Canada and Mexico, and is proposing having an entire department that's dedicated to tariffs. Well, guess who's going to pay for tariffs? So he is raising costs for people across this country, not lowering them.
We need it because we're going to have a lot of companies coming in to avoid tariffs. You know, if you don't want tariffs, all you have to do is build your plant in the U.S. So we're going to have a lot of workers coming in, but we have to have legal immigration.